Hey everyone! Ever brewed yourself a cup of rosemary tea? It's amazing, right? Super relaxing, smells incredible, and is good for you too. But what if I told you there are ways to take your rosemary tea to the next level? We're talking about adding extra ingredients to boost those health benefits and make that flavor sing. So get ready to learn about some fantastic add-ins and let me know in the comments what your favorite combos are. Have you tried any crazy combinations that worked surprisingly well? Number 1, lemon. Rosemary tea by itself is already pretty awesome. It's packed with antioxidants that fight the bad stuff in your body, keeping you healthy and strong. But when you add lemon to the mix, it's like giving those antioxidants a power-up. Lemons are loaded with vitamin C, which is famous for its immune-boosting abilities. It helps your body fight infections and keep you healthy. But that's not all. Lemons also have citric acid, which can help your body absorb nutrients from the tea more efficiently. So when you're sipping on that lemony rosemary tea, the antioxidants and other beneficial compounds from the rosemary are more readily available for your body to use. Plus, let's not forget about the taste. The zingy, citrusy flavor of lemon just pairs so well with the earthy, herby taste of rosemary. It's like they're meant to be together. Number 2, honey. Honey is not just about adding sweetness, it's a powerhouse of goodness itself. Honey is packed with antioxidants and antibacterial properties that boost your immune system and fight those pesky germs. It's also famous for its anti-inflammatory effects. Inflammation is your body's response to stress or injury, but chronic inflammation can lead to all sorts of health problems. By adding honey to your rosemary tea, you're not only getting a delicious drink, but also helping to calm inflammation and promote overall wellness. And here's a cool fact: honey has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for various ailments. From soothing sore throats to aiding digestion, honey has earned its reputation as nature's own medicine. So when you stir it into your rosemary tea, you're tapping into this ancient wisdom and giving your body the gift of time-tested healing properties. Number 3, mint. Mint is great for digestion. It soothes your stomach and even eases things like bloating and indigestion. Research suggests that mint relaxes the muscles in your digestive tract, making it easier for food to move through and reducing discomfort. Pair that with rosemary, which has its own digestive perks, and you've got yourself a winning combo for happy tummies. And if you ever popped a mint when you had a stuffy nose, you know how mint can clear up congestion and make breathing easier. When you combine mint with rosemary, which has respiratory benefits, you create a powerhouse blend that keeps your airways clear. Plus, let's not forget the aromatherapy aspect. Just the scent of mint can uplift your mood and clear your mind, adding an extra layer of relaxation to your tea drinking experience. Number 4, ginger. Ever feel like your stomach's throwing a tantrum after a heavy meal? Ginger's like the soothing voice that says, "Hey, calm down there, everything's gonna be okay." It helps your food move through your digestive system smoothly, easing bloating, gas, and all those other uncomfortable feelings that can turn a good meal into a not-so-great experience. Also, ginger contains a compound called gingerol, which has antioxidant properties. Remember those antioxidants in rosemary? Adding ginger to your tea can enhance the antioxidant activity even further, giving your body more power to fight harmful free radicals and oxidative stress. And let's talk flavor for a second. Ginger has that spicy kick that can really elevate the taste of rosemary. It adds a warming, invigorating element to your tea, making it even more enjoyable. Number 5, turmeric. You are missing out if you have not added this golden spice to your rosemary tea yet. Turmeric contains a powerful compound called curcumin. Curcumin is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Remember how we talked about inflammation earlier? Well, curcumin helps combat it, reducing the risk of chronic diseases and keeping your body feeling its best. Moreover, turmeric also has bioactive compounds that can improve brain function and lower the risk of brain diseases. Imagine sipping tea that not only relaxes your body, but also sharpens your mind. Now let's talk about flavor. The warm, earthy notes of turmeric blend seamlessly with the flavor of rosemary, creating a cup of tea that is both soothing and satisfying. For a single cup of rosemary tea, start with half a teaspoon of turmeric and adjust to taste. This amount gives a nice balance without overpowering the rosemary. Number 6, cloves. You'll find plenty of manganese and vitamin K in cloves, making them a nutrient-rich option. These nutrients play a vital role in various bodily functions, from bone health to blood clotting. Moreover, cloves have been traditionally used in natural medicine to alleviate dental pain and improve oral health. Eugenol, the primary compound in cloves, has antimicrobial properties that can help fight bacteria and prevent tooth decay and gum disease. So sipping on rosemary tea with cloves might also give your oral health a little boost. And let's not forget about the warming effect of cloves. This warming quality stimulates blood flow, which promotes better circulation and cardiovascular health. Better blood flow can make you feel more energized and alive. And here's the cool part, this improved circulation can even help your muscles recover faster after a workout. It flushes out the waste products from your muscles quickly, speeding up the recovery process. Number 7, cardamom. Cardamom has natural compounds that enhance the bioavailability of other nutrients. Bioavailability is basically a fancy term for how well your body can absorb and use the good stuff in your tea. So when you combine cardamom with rosemary, you're not only getting a flavor boost, but also making sure your body can make the most out of all those antioxidants and other beneficial compounds in your tea. But wait, there's more. Cardamom is also famous for its digestive perks. A study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology found that cardamom has potential gastroprotective effects, which means it could protect your stomach lining from damage. Another study highlighted cardamom's antioxidant properties and its role in improving digestive health. So if you're prone to tummy troubles, adding a bit of cardamom to your rosemary tea could be a game changer. Number 8, rose petals. Rose petals are rich in antioxidants, just like rosemary. These antioxidants fight free radicals in your body, reducing oxidative stress and lowering the risk of chronic diseases. Rose petals also contain vitamins A, C, and E, along with essential minerals like calcium and magnesium. These nutrients play a crucial role in maintaining healthy skin, boosting your immune system, and supporting overall well-being. Now let's talk about the synergy between rose petals and rosemary. Both ingredients have calming properties that can help reduce stress and anxiety. The aromatic compounds in rose petals and rosemary have been shown to promote relaxation and improve mood. So, sipping a cup of rosemary tea infused with rose petals can be a soothing experience for both your body and mind. Moreover, rose petals add a delicate floral note to the tea, balancing out the earthy flavor of rosemary. We've made it halfway through our list, and we sincerely hope you've enjoyed it so far. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button and ring the notification bell if you want to see more content like this. Let's move forward with the video. Number 9, black pepper. Let's spice things up a bit with some black pepper. You might be thinking, black pepper in tea? Seriously? But believe me, it's a game changer. It stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, helping your body break down food and soak up those nutrients. Black pepper also contains piperine, which stimulates the body's metabolic rate. A faster metabolism means your body can burn calories more efficiently, helping you maintain a healthy weight or even shed some extra pounds if that's your goal. Now, I'm not saying that adding black pepper to your rosemary tea will suddenly turn you into a calorie-burning machine, but every little bit helps, right? Plus, when you combine this metabolism-boosting effect with the other health benefits of rosemary, you've got yourself a drink that's not only delicious, but also supportive of your overall wellness journey. Number 10, Echinacea. Echinacea contains active compounds like flavonoids, polysaccharides, and alkylamides. These compounds work together to stimulate the immune system, making it more effective at warding off infections. Also, a study published in the Journal of Phytotherapy Research found that Echinacea extracts enhance the activity of macrophages. Now, if you're scratching your head wondering what that is, macrophages are basically the body's cleanup crew. They go around identifying and getting rid of harmful stuff like bacteria and viruses. So, with Echinacea on your side, these little heroes work even harder to keep you healthy. Echinacea also has anti-inflammatory properties, which help reduce inflammation in the body. Remember, chronic inflammation is linked to various health issues, so keeping it in check is essential for overall wellness. For a single cup of rosemary tea, toss in about a pinch of dried echinacea or a tiny bunch of fresh leaves. Start small because echinacea's got a bit of a bitter kick. Enjoy experimenting and finding your perfect mix. Number 11, thyme. This tiny herb is packed with powerful stuff like thymol and carvacrol. They have this amazing ability to fight bacteria and viruses, helping your body stay strong and prevent infections. A study published in the journal Critical Reviews in Food Science and Nutrition found that thymol and carvacrol exhibit strong antibacterial activity against various pathogens, including antibiotic-resistant strains. Additionally, thyme has been used for ages in herbal medicine to help with respiratory issues. Got a cough that just won't quit? Thyme might be your new best friend. What about bronchitis or congestion? Yep, thyme's got your back there too. Start with 1 teaspoon of fresh thyme or half a teaspoon of dried thyme per cup. You can enjoy this thyme and rosemary tea hot on a chilly day or chilled for a refreshing summer drink. Either way, it's an excellent addition to your wellness routine. So give it a try and experience the magic yourself. Number 12, Nettle. Nettle is a nutritional powerhouse. It's full of vitamins and minerals like vitamins A, C, K, calcium, iron, and magnesium. These nutrients not only nourish your body, but also support various bodily functions, from bone health to energy production. Nettle also has diuretic properties, which means it helps your body get rid of excess fluids and toxins. This can be particularly beneficial for people dealing with water retention or kidney issues. Now let's get to the sciencey part. A study published in the Journal of Molecular Medicine Reports found that nettle extract could reduce inflammation and improve kidney function in rats with kidney disease. While more research is needed to confirm these effects in humans, it's a promising start. So when you add nettle to your rosemary tea, you're not only enhancing the flavor with its slightly grassy notes, but also boosting its health benefits. Number 13, cinnamon. If you have type 2 diabetes, or you're just keeping an eye out on your sugar levels, cinnamon is your buddy. There's this study from the Journal of Diabetes Science and Technology that says cinnamon can actually help lower your fasting blood sugar levels. So you know how insulin helps your cells grab glucose from your blood to give them the energy they need? Well, cinnamon does something pretty cool. It kinda acts like insulin. So when you sip on that cinnamon-spiced rosemary tea, you're basically giving your body a helping hand in keeping those sugar levels in check. Cinnamon is also associated with better heart health. It lowers bad cholesterol levels and triglycerides, which are both risk factors for heart disease. By adding cinnamon to your rosemary tea, you're giving your heart a little extra love and support. Number 14, chamomile. Chamomile has been used for ages to help people sleep better. It contains apigenin, a compound that binds to certain receptors in your brain, helping to reduce insomnia and improve sleep quality. Combine this with rosemary, which also has calming properties, and you've got yourself a bedtime tea that will help you drift into dreamland in no time. Rosemary also helps with digestion and reduces bloating, and when combined with chamomile, this effect can be amplified. A study published in the Journal of Molecular Medicine Reports found that chamomile extract relaxes smooth muscle fibers in the intestines, potentially easing digestive discomfort. So how do you make this dreamy tea blend? It's super simple. The next time you brew a cup of rosemary tea, toss in a sprinkle of chamomile flowers. Let them steep together for a few minutes, and you will have a comforting cup of goodness ready to sip on. Number 15, fennel seeds. Fennel seeds contain compounds like anethole, which relax the muscles in your digestive tract. This relaxation can help ease digestion, reduce bloating, and alleviate stomach discomfort. A study published in the Arabian Journal of Chemistry found that fennel seeds have carminative effects, which means that they can help expel gas from the digestive tract, reducing bloating and flatulence. Another study highlighted fennel seeds' potential to improve gastrointestinal health by reducing inflammation and promoting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Adding fennel seeds to your rosemary tea is like giving it a flavor upgrade. Fennel has this cool, sweet taste that mixes really well with rosemary's earthy vibe. Plus, it's not just about the taste. Fennel's also good for your tummy. So next time you make rosemary tea, toss in some fennel seeds and enjoy the yummy and feel-good vibes. Number 16, holy basil. This herb is known for its adaptogenic properties, which means it helps your body adapt to stress and promotes balance. Sounds cool, right? Now let's talk science. Holy basil contains eugenol, rosmarinic acid, and apigenin, all of which possess antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial properties. Adding holy basil to your rosemary tea can amplify these benefits, creating a supercharged elixir of wellness. A study published in the Indian Journal of Physiology and Pharmacology found that holy basil reduces stress and improves cognitive function. Moreover, holy basil supports cardiovascular health by lowering cholesterol levels and blood pressure. When paired with rosemary's circulatory benefits, you're creating a heart-happy tea that supports overall cardiovascular wellness. Now about the flavor, holy basil has a slightly spicy, peppery taste with hints of clove and lemon. This unique flavor profile complements the earthy, piney notes of rosemary, creating a blend that is both delicious and beneficial. Number 17, licorice root. Licorice root has a naturally sweet flavor that can balance out the earthy tones of rosemary, creating a tea that is both tasty and beneficial. It's also known for its soothing properties, making it a great addition to rosemary tea for those with digestive issues or sore throats. In terms of health benefits, licorice root has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It's often used to support digestive health, relieve respiratory issues, and boost the immune system. When combined with rosemary, which also has digestive and respiratory benefits, you're creating a powerful blend for overall wellness. Making this tea is super easy. Just toss a teaspoon of dried licorice root into your rosemary tea blend, steep for 5 to 10 minutes, and you're good to go. Sit back, relax, and enjoy a cup of this delightful and beneficial tea. So there you have it! From zesty lemons to spicy ginger, there is a world of flavors and health benefits waiting to be unlocked in your rosemary tea. Whether you're looking to boost your immune system, calm your digestive system, or simply enjoy a delicious cup, there is an add-in for everyone. So why settle for ordinary when you can make your tea extraordinary? Start by experimenting with these fantastic add-ins. Find your perfect combo and let your taste buds and body thank you. Remember, the best part about making your tea is making it your own. So get creative, have fun, and enjoy the journey of discovering your favorite rosemary tea blend. Cheers to the endless possibilities of rosemary tea and the joy of making it your own. Do you find this video informative or helpful? Let us know in the comments section below. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos. Don't forget to like and share. Stay healthy!